Hello, welcome to this bite-sized learning clip designed to make you more effective at work. I'm Nikki, and today we're going to be looking at creating subtotals in Excel 2010. Lots of us work with huge reams of data, yet to make any sense of it, what we really need is to be able to quickly summarise it. There is a great tool in Excel that helps you do just that. In this example, we're looking at staff records, but your data might be sales data, transaction information, contacts. It really doesn't matter. In this case, we'd like to be able to quickly see what the salary spend is for each of the departments, but we don't want to have to do lots of formulas or filtering. No problem. Our first step is going to be to identify which heading we want to group by. In our case, it'll be department. So the first step is to sort the data by department so that it's organised correctly. Click on any cell in the department column, then go up to the Data tab, and then click on A to Z. As you can see, this has sorted them in ascending order. Now the data is organised, we're ready to work on the subtotals. Ensure you're still in the Data tab, then click on Subtotal over on the right-hand side. In the At Each Change In drop-down, select the item you want to report on, in our case, Department. Then, in the Use Function box, you select what kind of summary you'd like. If you want to know how many, for example, you could stick with a count, but we want to know the total, so we're going to choose Sum. And in the last box, we select the item that we want to sum, which for us is salary. Once we've done that, we click OK. As you can see, a few things have changed. If when you do this you see lots of hashes like I can, it just means you need to widen the column. By double-clicking with the two-headed arrow, Excel will make the column exactly wide enough. Now we can see the total salary bill for each department. As we scroll down, we can see each of them, and then at the very bottom we can see the grand total. And all of that with just a few clicks and no need for dreaded formulas. Pretty good, isn't it? But my favourite bit is actually this nice little feature. Can you see the 1, 2 and 3 on the left? If we click on number 1, we'll see just the grand total. Number 2 will show us the subtotals, and this is great if we wanted to print it out or perhaps copy it into another report. And to see all the data again, we simply click on number 3. When you've finished with the subtotals, you might want to turn them off again. For this, we go back up to the Data tab, select Subtotals, and then click on the Remove All button. Remember, the first step to subtotals was to sort your data appropriately. After that, it's all pretty simple. You can also subtotal to see how many items there are in a category, or to find the average, highest or lowest. What could you subtotal that would save you time? I hope you enjoy using it. Thanks for joining me today.